Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna, and here basically we are discussing about the currencies dependency. This is actually very dangerous topic. Dangerous means it contains everything basically. Entire software industry comes into the picture. Everything basically comes here. So in this basically, one person told that basically, uh, you told just now basically you told that basically in this basically we are going to discuss lots of software product also basically. It might possible that some new product also basically might get generated, which software basically does not exist with the 10 top 10 software company also basically. And here basically the thing basically we are discussing is one person told that basically which type of thinking earth planet is generating here basically, because just now you told that basically a tomato planet basically has generated 3 lakh, potato 3 lakh planet has generated, then into the yes, so that planet basically are going to place somewhere, right? Then into the yes, the planets basically are going, some planets are going to attract that planet data, that are 5 crore planets, then into the yes, exactly. 5 crore planets basically are going to interact. So 5 crore planet basically where human basically is going to come basically. They are going to attract some one day basically, right? The trigger is also basically done. That in this trigger basically the planet is going to interact. In this trigger basically the planet is going to interact, right? In this trigger basically the planet is going to interact. So that is basically clear. Now one person told that basically what thinking that planet is going to generate from the tomato and potato planets basically. There might be some user stories basically might be generated from the 900 crore people basically, and which is basically designed by one of the group basically. They told that basically that we are going to generate this idea in that planet basically, that is 5 crore planet. Same way basically somebody generated computer idea in earth planet. Somebody has designed this computer idea for earth planet by some from why from some satellites basically, and that basically might possible that they might have taken data from set of planets basically. So here basically we are talking about the earth planet, which says that basically we have created 6 lakh planet, that is of tomato and potato, which is going to merge, assume that which is merged 5 crore planet basically got that data. Each planet basically the human also basically started staying. They generated the thinking also basically with the help of some trigger basically. They thought some trigger basically when the earth planet passed that data basically, that time only basically they got the trigger. So like this basically the data generated. Now which thinking basically is they are going to generate, which idea basically they are going to generate? They are going to generate those ideas only basically which is actually designed by earth planet. So how basically the earth planet knows that basically they want this all ideas basically in that planet basically. Earth planet basically how know that this already basically the ideas basically are going to generate in the earth in that particular 5 crore planet basically. There might be some they might have thought something, right? So in this basically only nuclear power company and the satellite groups only basically have the rights basically of thinking. Why? Because they are connected with planets to planets, and new planets creation basically is going to happen. They only knows. We basically don't know that. We are be eating tomato, we are eating potato, that's all basically. We don't know that basically tomato planet we are eating this tomato to create the tomato planet, that is 3 lakh planet. Potato also 3 lakh planet. We don't know basically because we are normal human being basically. Even the tomato creator also basically might not be knowing. Mostly basically 99% basically might not be knowing, but 1% basically might be knowing that this is going to create one planet. So here basically when they create the tomato and potato basically, that time basically they thinks for the other planet basically. That time basically no. That time basically they never thought of the next planet basically. That is the 5 crore planet basically, which is going to get this data basically. So when tomato and planet basically was created, that was just created for the Earth planet basically purpose basically. Just for created for the Earth planet purpose basically. That also basically human can eat that basically. But in real basically just see basically up to what level the thinking basically are. So they created it. They basically created the planet basically. So in short basically in that planet basically tomato planet and inside the potato planet 900 crore people has generated one idea basically. That is the thinking basically. That is the thinking basically. So one person told that basically how basically thinking can be generated here basically. How basically you can generate the thinking basically. He told that basically. That basically is created from one person only. Set of group basically might not be knowing that also basically. But nuclear power company and satellite group basically they know that basically that this is going to generate some thinking. Which thinking? If you think that thinking basically your this blood cells is going to activate, and on the basis of that blood cells basically the requirement of the other planets basically which is required, that is going to generate. In this planet in this world basically 6 crore blood cells are there basically there. More than 2 crore blood cells basically are created from human only basically. So these 2 crore blood cells are basically what? They are going to generate planets only. So it's a plant basically you can say. The group basically who has planned the blood cells, they have planned the 2 crore planets basically. So this is one possibility. The another possibility is Earth planet basically is sorry the here basically the human basically don't know anything, right? The people who know is that nuclear power company and satellite group basically. They only knows the thing basically. Nobody else basically knows. Nobody else know that basically the things basically is like this basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this basically.